Hey guys, welcome back to TechnoWaves, your one-stop channel for the latest tech updates and gadget reviews. So guys, I have got a super affordable and stylish speaker set from the brand Fingers. This is the FunBeats USB Power 2.0 speaker and we are going to unbox it and also checking out its design, test the audio quality and see whether it's worth your money. So let's get started. So alright guys, here is the box. You can see in a bright red packing with the two speakers pictured right in the front, and it proudly says FunBeats USB Power 2.0 speaker. Let's crack open the box. We get the speaker pairs neatly packed and wrapped. Then we have a attached cables. One is USB for power and 3.5 mm of audio jack for sound and some paperwork. That's it. So let's talk about the design. These speakers actually look pretty elegant for the price. You get a clean black matte finish with a front metal grille for protection, and the sleek shape gives it a nice desk friendly look. And on the cable you also get a inline volume control. Here, look at this, we can control the volumes, so there is no need to adjust volume on your laptop or every time. And here are the key specifications of the Fingers FunBeats speakers. It is a type 2.0 stereo USB powered speakers, and connectivity is USB for power plus 3.5 mm of audio jack. And about use case, we can use for movies, music, online classes, etc. Extra, we have inline volume control and easy to plug and play setup. And about a sound profile, now let's test it. And guys, setup is very easy. Just plug this USB into any power source or a USB port, and also this 3.5 mm of audio jack into your device, and yes, you are ready to go. Yes, I have connected guys, you can see. Now let's test the audio quality and I will play a music track so you can get an idea. Okay, so let's play. Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights in the sky. So alright, so first impression, these speakers are definitely loud for the size guys. You have listened, the vocals are very clear and even the mids are very decent. The bass is not extremely deep, but for a USB power 2.0 speaker, it's surprisingly excellent. Movies and YouTube videos sound crisp, and for casual gaming, the soundage is pretty satisfying. And for music, it is hit the song. Yes, let's quickly talk about the pros and cons guys. So it is very stylish, you can see. Stylish and very compact design, USB powered, no external adapter needed, good loudness for the price, clear vocals and decent bass, inline volume control, plug and play setup. And about its cons, the bass is it's limited, don't expect subwoofer level bass, and cable length is average, not ideal for large rooms. And talking about the price, you will get 8 to 900, you will get these speakers from Fingers. So overall guys, the Fingers FunBeats USB 2.0 speaker is a great option if you're looking for a budget friendly speaker for your laptop or PC setup. It's perfect for movies, online classes, light gaming, and listening to music casually. For the price, the sound quality and design really stand out. So if you enjoyed this unboxing and review, make sure to hit and like button and subscribe to Technowaves for more tech videos. And comment below if you want me to review any other speakers or gadgets, and I will see you in the next one.